These are my friends, look. They are always following me. I don't even know.
Hello.
They are always following me. Look, these kids are following me all the time. They like me so much. Look, many kids are... Yay!我走了，我走了，
再走了，
我走了，
再见，
好，再见，再见，拜拜，拜拜。These are my friends. I got friends.
好帅哦！
谢谢。These are my friends. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Cool.
拜拜。
来一张好不好？来一张好不好？来，可以拍个照吗 ？Thank you。
OK。
要拍个照，我好喜欢你。好，谢谢。
I can fly.
Good morning. Day 2 in Xi'an, China. So cold here. China pose, main branch of China pose. Everyone is looking at me. Look, look, look. All eyes on me. Look. Look at the clock behind me. This is the real clock. This is working. What the fuck? When you try to hit on my day? Behind is the real clock. The clock is decorated with the sunflowers and a lot of flowers. Wow, it's a nice clock.
Want to go up or what?
Huh?
We can go up.
Let's go up, man. Let's try this one. Now we are going up here. Then what is that? What is that name, bro? What?
Bell tower, bell tower.
Bell tower. Now we are going in the bell tower. Let's go. London Street. Look around.
150 yuan, London Street.
Don't talk. Axel Chutia. One and only Axel Chutia.
He's a bigger Chutia.
One and only Axel Chutia is here.
Double Axel Chutia.
Double Axel, triple. Oh, I'm sitting with my sweetheart. What are you doing, sweetheart? What is this? I don't know. Ah, it smells so good. I'm high. I'm high. Oh, like this. Making ice cream cone like this. Look at that. Look at how she makes it. sit down there, down here. Look, a lot of glasses are there.
It's just like mine, but it's pink in color.
Just like yours? Where's
Yeah.
yours? Where's yours? Where's yours? Don't lie.
Of course.
Oh. Bro,
你跟他吹一下，他让你跟他吹一下，
他要不要？你就一下，
就这样吹。
对吧？ Like that. Okay.
不会吧？他就拿了一个嘛。
My roommate found out about this one, these things, for his uncle last time. Lot of sophistic. Fidget spinner.
Beats headphone. Beats headphone.
Oh, this is big. It's definitely black. And a lot of bags. These things are not my type. So I have to go back. Bin Laden car.
ये बहुत अच्छा था.
Which one?
Ever tried out?
What is
कभी
this?
try किया? देखो ऐसे कुछ है. Remove यार.
I got guns. I got guns. What is this? All the toys. This is awesome.
Come, I'll show you something.
For those supreme pens. For those over friends. Panda, 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 panda. Here you see the Prada.
Tiger Balm.
Prada. Oh, everywhere is Prada. Gucci bag is here. Michael Kors. Yesterday we did this thing, but the difference is the fish is larger.
But small fish are good, man.
21 for 30 minutes. Hey, we need to buy ticket for entering the mosques also. Hey, the Great Mosques. This is the gate of the Great Mosques. The brief introducing of Xi'an Great Mosques.
When you take a city tour and the ancient gateway, you pass here, don't try and come to the Muslim.
The landscape introduction of China Xi'an Great Mosques. Why is it so?
लेकिन है नहीं. Oh, ये है prayer. ये है मस्जिद भाई.
Is it close? Whoa.
अरे अच्छा है रे.
What are you eating, bro? What are you eating, bro? Could you share with me? Could you share with me? He's eating something, look. This is during the Buddhist street at Xi'an. This street is also called a Muslim street. Right now we are buying this mutton. This stick. One stick, 10 yuan. Look at the lopan. They are hanging the uncovered from skeleton. I got the stick now. This steak is awesome. This mutton is awesome. These skills are waiting for this bun. This is a sandwich, beef inside. Coming out from Buddhist street Xi'an. Today is the last day at Xi'an, and here is the bell tower. Look at down the street. Just walking. Now we are going back to the subway. No energy to speak, so I sit down. Now we are at the where are we? Train station. Inside the train station. Woo! We are going to move Beijing. Tonight gonna move. Let's go to Beijing. Let's go. I'm on the way to Beijing from Xi'an. I'm on the train right now. Tomorrow morning very early at like 6 o'clock we'll reach Beijing. All my travel I film on my iPhone. I put a wide angle lens here so that I can see all the white side. Next travel I will use a very good camera. for sure. I wish I can buy without depending from my family. Right now I don't have a good camera, so I just film on my iPhone only. Hey, it goes. I'm on the train. Going to sleep right now. No power, so too early, but I have to wake up early. We will reach Beijing. Good night. See you tomorrow.
I can fly.